Happy morning. I'm Manush. I'm studying grade 10 in Shakthi International School. Now we are going to see the topic of laws of reflection of light. According to the laws of reflection of light, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. And the incident ray, the normal ray to the mirror to the point of incidence, and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane, as shown in the figure. These laws of reflection are applicable to all types of reflecting surfaces, including spherical surfaces. Objects. Anything which gives us light rays, either its own or reflected by it, is called an object. Luminous object. The objects like the sun, other stars, electric bulb, tube light, etc., which emits their own light are called luminous objects, and non-luminous objects. The objects which do not emit light themselves but only reflect or scatter the light which falls on them are called non-luminous objects. A flower, a chair, a table, a book, a tree, etc. are non-luminous objects. Images. Images is an optical appearance produced when light rays coming from an object are reflected from a mirror or refracted through lens. And a real image. The image which can be obtained on a screen is called real image. And in a cinema hall, we see the images of actors and actresses on the same screen. So the images formed on a cinema screen is an example of real images. And virtual image. The image which cannot be obtained on a screen is called a virtual image. A virtual image can be seen only by looking into a mirror. The image of our face in a plane mirror is an example of virtual image. Lateral inversion. When an object is placed in front of a plane mirror, the right side of the object appears to be the left side of the image, and the left side of the object appears to be the right side of the image, and the changes of side of an object in its image is called lateral inversion. The phenomenon of lateral inversion is due to reflection of light. Thank you.